here I have the PVO's projector with me, which costed me around $60, I guess, on sale from Amazon, and it was originally for $100. So let's start unboxing this. This is the projector itself, and okay, these are the accessories that you get. Let's see what do we get in the box. So we get, I think, the adapter. This is the HDMI cable, the standard HDMI 2.0, the remote for the projector, the AV cable with input output 1:3, the power adapter. Let's unbox the projector. So this is the one which is one of the cheaper ones that you get on Amazon, and I think this helps a lot when you don't have enough budget with you. So we'll be using this to test our review unit PlayStation 4 that I showed you yesterday. So we'll go through the ports together. And so what we have here is one AV port, which is for 1:3. Then we have an audio input. We have a micro SD support in it, and yeah, as you can see, the power outlet was 5 watt 2 amps, so it's not going to consume a lot of electricity. And I think this will be to change the focal length, the area. And here's the bulb itself, and I don't know exactly what the rating is, but I'll put that in the description. This is the DC input port. If one wants to use the DC, then HDMI and USB-A port, the standard USB-A. I don't know whether it's USB 3.0 or 2.0. We'll test and let you know with that. And these are some controls, which is basically, the first one is, I think it's a return button. Then the next is one of them is OK, one is back, forward, and I think this one is the power button. So let's test this little boy, and I'll get back with you how does it work. And let's test this with our PlayStation 4 review unit. So let me start with the setup process of the projector. I've just powered it on from the remote control. Let me switch it to English. Let's see how it goes next. So here I'm getting the options of movie, photo, music, and on the top is the input source. And right now the thing on the top left is multimedia, which can't be seen. So let me connect my PlayStation 4. And we'll be starting with the game Rocket League. So I've turned down the volume to the highest possible, and as you can see, the speaker qualities of the projector is also really good. And as you can see, the speaker quality of the projector is really good. I've turned on the volume. I'll decrease it for now. So I'll just start with the new game. Now that I have set up, let's start. As you can see that the frame rate is pretty smooth and there is no lag in the game than you can think of. Right now I don't have an HDR support, but even without that, it's going pretty smooth. There is no lag with the colors. I think it's a cheaper deal to go with. And I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.